A fallen officer laid to rest. 31-year-old Temple University police officer Chris Fitzgerald was gunned down in the line of duty 1 week ago. His death has renewed debate in the state house on the death penalty and whether it should be an option here in Pennsylvania. Thanks for joining us. I'm Marshall Keeley. Democrats want to abolish executions in PA. Republicans want to protect them, especially in the case of convicted cop killers. Fox 43's Matt Kleindon spoke with lawmakers from both parties about the future of the death penalty.
I will not sign any execution warrants during my time as governor.
At a press conference in Philadelphia last week, Governor Josh Shapiro took a stance against the death penalty. Even though he supported the death penalty as Attorney General, Governor Shapiro is now endorsing plans to end capital punishment in the state.
Today, I am respectfully calling on the General Assembly to work with me to abolish the death penalty once and for all here in Pennsylvania.
There was a certain humility and openness that allows for adults, regardless of their position in society, to say, I've evolved.
Democratic Representative Chris Rabb says he will answer the governor's call and introduce a bill to abolish the death penalty. Rabb argues the death penalty costs the state too much money and that the government doesn't have the moral authority to execute inmates.
Our justice system shouldn't be based on revenge and personal feelings. It should be around community safety.
If you wonder about the merits of the death penalty, talk to the family. The victims' families.
On the other side, Republican Senator Mike Regan announced plans to introduce a bill that would require prosecutors to seek the death penalty in cases when a police officer is killed. He argues criminals are emboldened to go after police officers in the line of duty, putting more lives at risk.
When a perpetrator decides that he's going to impose the death penalty on a police officer, I think it's only right that that death penalty then be imposed upon him.
Matt joins us now in the studio with what the numbers reveal about the death penalty in Pennsylvania.
Well, Marshall, according to the Pennsylvania Department of Corrections, there are currently 101 inmates on death row. Some of those sentences dating all the way back to the 1980s. Now, in terms of cost, a 2018 Auditor General's report estimates the Commonwealth has spent more than $1 billion on death row inmates over the past 40 years. Now, since the death penalty was reintroduced in 1976, Pennsylvania has executed 3 inmates, with the last one occurring back in 1999. Marshall, back to you.